My speaker is Toastmaster Anjana, and she is delivering Level 2, Project 1, Understanding Communication Styles. It is coming under the Motivational Strategy span, and the speech name which she has given is A Multifaceted Me. And what about you? It is a good topic, and the purpose of the statement is to understand different communication style and to identify what is her own communication style and to share the impact this specific style has on others. She can deliver either as a humorous or informational, any style which she chooses. All the best, Anjana. Over to you, Toastmaster of the Day.
Thank you, Jay ma'am, for giving the objectives of our speaker, Anjana. Now, join me, invite the first speaker today, Anjana Mariam Koshi. She recently promoted as head of math department in American curriculum school in Dubai. And let's hear Anjana's speech. Over to you, Anjana.
Thank you, Toastmaster of the Day. Instead of spending your time in front of the TV, why don't you go sit and study, do some math practice work? Tring, tring. Hello. Yeah, all fine here. Kids, they're having an awesome time, getting up late, staying late night, watching movies and relaxing. Expo 2020. Okay, I'll call you back later. Hey, honey, why don't we all go out today? We'll visit the Expo 2020. Heard that the Indian pavilion is awesome. Toastmaster of the Day, fellow Toastmasters, and my dear guests. Communication is the magic pill for any effective, positive relationship. I analyzed my communication styles and conjured up a plan to change my behavior and styles wherever I felt necessary. A strict mom in front of my children, a strict teacher in front of my unruly students, a loving and happy teacher for my well-behaved students, a conversationalist with my best friends, a nagging naughty wife in front of my husband. I wonder how many phases I have. Am I fake? Dear Toastmasters, I have heard about people with double personalities who are double-faced, but the pathway made me wonder if I had just two faces, or am I multifaceted like a Ravan who has 10 faces? Toastmasters made me take a test. I had a score for finding out my communication styles. The 4 different communication styles are initiating, supportive, direct, and analytical. I had a maximum score of 6 and 4 for the initiating and supportive style. The initiating style says that I am sociable, enthusiastic, energetic, spontaneous, and fun-loving. Am I? Let us together explore or go through some of my life experiences and see if I really do have an initiating communication style. I am a person who was born into a family with decent, soft-spoken cousins, be it male or female. And I am the one who rocks the house or the place upon my arrival for a vacation when I reach India. I take my family and friends for trips. I even take my small cousins on a journey for movies or for dining out together. And these are some of the pictures that we have clicked together. So this really does show that I have an initiating style in me. I am a supportive communicator. Am I? Am I patient, cooperative, and sympathetic? Let's see what happened last week. I was called by one of my Toastmasters and asked if I could be an evaluator for one of the speeches. I said, yes, if you don't have anybody else, I'm planning to actually skip the meeting because I'm too tied up with a lot of work that I have right now, being the head of Department of Math. And I'm a person who dislikes a lot of changes. And I agreed to that. After a while, I got another message asking if I could be a member for a panel discussion. I waited for 2 days and then I responded, "Did you get somebody to take up the position?" He said, "No." And then I said, "Okay, then put my name into that." And the day before the Toastmaster meeting, I got another message asking me if I could be the sergeant of arms. I said, "I already have 2 roles, but if you really don't have anybody else to take up the role, of course, put my name into that." So I do understand that I am supportive and I anticipate the need of others. So I do have a supportive communication style in me. But I felt that I'm not satisfied with just 2 faces or 2 styles that I have. I knew that I had something more in me, and I went up to Google and took a test to find out my communication style, to explore more about it. And I found that this was the missing piece I had. I also do value getting job done. I am a decisive risk taker. I'm not shy, but I am private about my personal matters. And I like to be where action is. I take charge, I'm competitive and efficient, and I'm fearless. No obstacle is too big to tackle for me. And I'm results oriented too, thus making me realize that I have a direct communication style too. I'm indeed 10-faceted, though a supportive, initiating, and direct communication stylist. Dear Toastmasters, I know that my pace is fast, I appear impulsive at times, I talk more and I need to change. I need to be a better listener. I dislike changes and I'm indecisive at times. Toastmaster has made me realize that I need to be taking decisions, giving myself some time. I need to be more patient and not demanding as I am right now. And I need to be less selfish in my life. I have decided to spend quality time with my family and friends and to show a genuine interest about the life of my family. Let me quote a verse from Bible from the book of Philippians, which says, "Agree with each other and show your love for each other. Be united in your goals and in the way you think. Whatever you do, don't let selfishness or pride be your guide. Be humble and honor others more than yourselves. Don't be interested only in your own life, but care about the lives of others too." One day I believe that I will be a selfless communicator too. And I will always remember Toastmasters for that. And I encourage you all to take that journey with me to be a selfless communicator. Over to you, Toastmaster of the Day.
Toastmaster JMPV to evaluate the speech delivered by Toastmaster Anjana Koshi. Let us welcome Toastmaster JMPV with a big round of
General Evaluator. And what a good way to start the speech. She started with the ordinary discussion which is going on at every home. Instead of sitting in front of TV, can you go out and play outside? It's a common question which we can see in every household. She made us attend to her by making that tring tring sound. Her sound is actually fabulous, and the pace with which she has performed is also up to the mark. She started by saying how she behaves multifaceted to her kids, let it be to studious students, non-studious students, and her husband. It was really wonderful, the way which she linked the multifaceted to Ravan. And then she described a score she got on communication style and detailed in which ways she can be considered as initiative, supportive, direct, and analytical. I can really agree to her supportive style because the person who asked her to become evaluator was none other than me. Her pace is fast and she's talking too much, etc. was her, etc. was her own remarks about herself. But it's actually in correct pace. Don't worry, Anjana. And the last which she quoted about the wordings in Bible as agree with each other, show love, etc. all are very great. She had conjured the meeting well by delivering the wonderful speech. The only one negative thing which I noticed that she didn't detail about the analytical style of communication. it would have been more better if she could detail that too. And she utilized her time allotted to the maximum. She was very comfortable, that can be seen from her face itself. And clarity of the speech was the best. Though the speech was on understanding different communication style, you showed me how to deliver a speech fearless. Over to you, General Evaluator.
Well done, Toastmaster JM. You gave a constructive evaluation with areas for improvement. My one suggestion to Toastmaster Anjana is that you could have summarized your speech. You had ample time, only 6 minutes 27 seconds. There was an abrupt ending. Otherwise, your speech was an excellent, wonderful speech. Let us give her a good round of applause.